Hi, I'm a high school student helping to manage my family's rental properties. Here's how we verify a tenant's income. First, we ask for the last 3 months of pay stubs or a benefits letter, but we're not just looking at the total. We check for consistent, steady income. One quick trick. Take the year-to-date earnings on the pay stub, divide by the number of months so far, and estimate the average monthly income. If it's early in the year, we might also ask for last year's W-2. Sometimes applicants send a screenshot of a bank deposit or payment info, but those often don't show the employer's name or even who received the payment. That's why we ask for an official pay stub with full details. We need clear, verifiable info to make a fair decision. Then, we double check that the name on the document matches the application, and we verify job info. If someone's self-employed, we ask for bank deposit records or a recent tax return. We usually require income to be at least 3 times the rent. So if rent is $800, income should be around $2,400. If the household has a lot of dependents, we may take that into account too. This process helps keep things fair and prevents issues down the road. Follow for more tips from a teen helping run rental properties. Thanks for watching.